Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down again, click on Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock. Finally, select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. When you're done, select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, select Confirm also at the bottom right corner and answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided when you finished, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!